In today's video, we are going to show you how to delete a demo account here in Exness. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials. Inside the dashboard, I want you to hover on the left side panel and then click the Trading tab. There is a drop-down menu, and of course, I want you to click the My Accounts. Now, all you have to do is select the demo account that you wanted to delete. For example, I'm going to be choosing this one, and then scroll until you find the three dots icon, click on it, and then you see that there is an option here that says archive. Keep in mind that some demo accounts cannot be permanently deleted immediately. Exness may automatically remove inactive demo accounts after a certain period. So all you have to do is click the archive button. And there you go. Now you have successfully removed or archive the demo account here in Exness. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.